at this?
Yeah, with dead toys, not alive and screaming. We'll try to kill you softly.
Goody, you can't kill someone softly.
Not helping our case here.
Oh, that looks sharp. Please don't hurt me. Maybe you want another hug instead? You know, a rose wouldn't like this. My foot is stuck!
Hurry, before she escapes.
We're really sorry for this.
Yeah, we don't like violence.
My leg! No!
Oh, we gotta get her to the edge of the bookshelf.
Cat's on the other side. Come on, grab her.
You're scaring me! Where are you taking me? Please stop!
Someplace quiet and safe.
Friends are supposed to help each other! Rose, help me!
This is horrible. I feel so evil.
Oh, me too. I'll need therapy after this.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we could ask that book.
You crazy? We need to see a professional after this.
Wait, my ear!
I think she's tricking us. Pull me! Oh, it wasn't a trick.
What? Everything is fuzzy. Wouldn't it be more fun to play jump rope instead?
We're really sorry for this.
You don't have to do this. I love Rose.
Don't tell us that.
Cutie? Cutie!
That's good, honey.
Yeah, come on, darling.
Cutie! Oh, are you okay? Oh no, you're broken. I'll fix you. Oh no, Cutie, poor Cutie. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry you hurt yourself.
May, I think it's working.
Yes, she's crying.
Yes! Come on! All right, we gotta get down there. Quick, before she stops. This way.
Come on. Oh my gosh.
Keep it going, sweetie.
Oh, don't stop, darling. Come on, let it all out.
Sweet tears.
That's right.
Woo!
Hold on. What? Why is the spell not breaking?
Don't know. The tears should be the cure.
Oh no. Oh gosh. We're stuck like this.
No.
Oh,
No, that can't be. The tears should be the...
oh.
What's this? Hey, May.
Leave me alone. It's over.
I think it's a letter from Rose. Listen. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry that I did this to you.
What?
I know how to make everything good again. All you have to do is, I think this is it. This is the answer.
Go on. How do we break the spell?
All you have to do is, whoa! Ah, not so fast! Hey, give that back!
That's our letter.
You're not ready for it. To earn this letter, you must work together. You must fix the relationship.
No, you idiot.
Thanks very much. You just ripped up our only ticket out of here.
Yes, I did. Into 4 pieces. You put them together, you get the answer.
Oh, you thick-headed book.
Vale.
Ah!
It's time to dive deeper into your souls and collect the 4 letter pieces. Let's go!
Hey, where you going?
Get him!
Get the letter!
What?
Let us go.
This is abduction.
No, this is Dr. Hakim's couples therapy. Prepare for the roller coaster ride of your life.
Give us
The letter! Bravo! You refer to us instead of me. You're a team now.
No, we're not a team and we don't have time for this.
Time. Good, May. That will be our first topic. Aha! Now, do you give each other enough time?
Okay, you know what? We don't. Yeah, because she is never at home.
Excuse me? I'm working for both of us. I can't be in 2 places at the same time, can I? Oh, unless you want me to clone myself.
Clone yourself? Oh, please, don't be ridiculous.
You think time is limitless. That's ridiculous. You have no sense of time.
Aha! Cloning and no sense of time. Good insights. We're making progress already. Great. Get ready. Hey! Woo!
Oh no! Where are we?
I have no idea.
Voila! Oh, you're inside. Your family's cuckoo clan.
Aye?
Great.
Man, you wish you could clone yourself. Now you can. And Cody, with no sense of time, you will now be able to control time. Yeah! Go! Oh, look at that! Hey, whoa! Aha!
Is that me?
It's you and me.
That's right! But as you can see, you're on parallel tracks, not connected to each other. You must follow these tracks and make them meet again. Remember that! If you succeed, you will be rewarded your first piece of the letter. Good luck! Woo!
Where does he go? So, why do we need to follow those wooden dolls?
The book said we have to make the 2 meet.
What?
Let's just do it. We need Rose's letter to break the spell.
And off they go.
Hey! Maybe you can reach the door before it closes with your clone!
Must say, that looks pretty impressive.
Yeah, whoever designed this knew what they were doing.
There we go. Oh! Cody, look at this one in the center!
Oh, wow. So cool.
So pretty. But where are the wooden figures?
What? Did we lose them already?
Oh, now what?
I don't know. Did that book say anything about what we do if we lose track of those guys?
No, he was just blabbing on and on about time.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and you agreed with him.
Well, it's true. You're never at home.
Cody, do you really think I'm choosing to be away from home?
I don't know. That's just what it's been like for a long time.
Well, it's not my choice.
What do you mean?
If I lost my job, we'd lose everything.
Okay. But when you're never around, we lose us. Hey, look. There they are.
Let's follow them.
Gotta keep following those dolls.
Oh, the house is on fire! Well, was it fire?
The dolls need our help!
Success once again! There they go!
I wonder where they're going.
Look,
Keep...
look at that handsome wooden guy go.
He is quite handsome, actually.
All right. Now, you just open this gate. Should be a breeze.
Lunchtime.
No, no, no! Where'd they go? Now how are we gonna follow them?
Cody, stop whining. Let's find another way.
I wasn't whining.
Wow, that clock tower is huge.
Is that where we're going?
Exactly! But to get inside, you need to unravel the secrets of the smaller towers. Uno, dos, you see?
Here's a thought. Why don't you just let us in the tall clock tower straight away?
Yeah, we need to get back to our real bodies as soon as possible.
Don't stress me. Time is an illusion. There's only now. Yeah. Can't you feel it? There's nothing else than now. Everything happens now, now, now. Now. Can you feel it?
Oh yeah, I can feel it. You are very annoying.
Right now. Now.
Hey, Book! What's that strange sphere over there?
Yeah. That, my friends, you have to figure out yourselves. Woo!
We are not his friends.
Hey, Cody, I've got an idea. Maybe we can use those birds.
Okay.
the metal.
So are airplanes, Cody.
Okay, smarty pants. But these aren't machines.
They're flying bird machines. Hey, I think I see a landing spot on that tower.
Look at that tower! We might be able to land on it. There we go. Easy.
Like a walk in the park.
I don't like those weird lights. They look dangerous.
Yeah, exactly. I think we can use them
Use them? What for?
to take that out.
Okay. Ugh, creepy cavern. Let's get out of here ASAP.
We have to solve the puzzles first.
You sound so enthusiastic.
Well, yeah, those symbols look so intriguing. I wonder what they are. Looks like we can slam these in.
Ah! A ghost!
It's just a sculpture.
Creepy as hell.
Fancy seeing you again.
Well, I thought I'd make time for you.
Got one! Oh, it's about to get messy!
Let's see what you can do.
Fire in the hole!
Alley-oop! Some nice firepower.
Look! That weird bubble is gone!
Hey!
I don't like that sound. Do we really have to follow them?
Yes, but we'll never get out of here.
Fine. Ladies first.
Oh, such a gentleman.
May! May, is that wall moving?
Yes, run!
There's nowhere to run!
May! May, do something!
What? Me? You do something!
I can't slow it down! Someone help! Hey! Hurry up!
Wow, I almost thought we wouldn't make it.
Almost! I thought we were done for.
But we made it!
So far we did.
What a magnificent place!
Yeah! And cool mechanical parts.
With no real functionality. This place is beautiful, but it doesn't make any sense.
Why do you always have to make sense of everything?
Well, someone has to. And I know it's not you.
Maybe you can't explain every little thing that happens in life.
Oh, I don't like that thought.
Ha!
I don't like the look of that guy.
Relax. He can't move.
I doubt he's there just for decoration.
He's clearly a gatekeeper.
Yeah, the gatekeeper. With a big sword.
Hey, look! Keyholes! Seems like we're gonna need some keys.